Did you know that DNA is a polymer and it can be extracted from various kind of things, including the strawberries? To extract the DNA of the strawberries, we need to break open the cells of strawberries by smashing them. After smashing them, we are going to take a solution of water, table salt and a dishwasher and mix it well. After mixing it, we're going to add it in the strawberries, and the final step is to strain it. After staining, we are going to add the solution of cold isopropyl solution in which DNA is insoluble and less dense. And so we can see DNA coming up. And here is the DNA polymer chain, which is required to survive, develop and reproduce. How incredible it is, just one DNA polymer chain.